Today, we're breaking down the key differences in performance between two top-tier winter tires, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 and the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2. Let's focus on the numbers that truly set these tires apart. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, there's a 1.6-meter difference, with Goodyear stopping sooner. For wet handling, Goodyear is 2.2 km/h faster. When it comes to aquaplaning resistance, Pirelli has a 1.4 km/h advantage. In snow braking, the Goodyear stops 0.6 meters sooner. For snow traction, there's a small 10-Newton difference, with Goodyear pulling stronger. Goodyear also has a 0.7 km/h advantage in snow handling speed. In terms of mileage, Goodyear lasts longer, with a difference of 7,234 kilometers compared to Pirelli. Goodyear's superior wear performance means you'll get more kilometers before needing a replacement. On dry roads, Goodyear stops 0.8 meters shorter. The handling speed difference is minimal, with Goodyear just 0.3 km/h faster. Both tires show similar overall performance in dry conditions, but Goodyear gives a slight edge in emergency braking situations. Goodyear is 1.4 decibels quieter, while Pirelli has a slight edge in rolling resistance, with a 0.14 coefficient value difference. For drivers seeking a quieter ride, Goodyear wins, but Pirelli offers marginally better fuel efficiency. In summary, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 excels slightly in wet and snow while outperforming in mileage. On the other hand, the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 excels in aquaplaning and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.